Hello everyone, this is Mohana Gazimim and today I'm gonna present my final project on digital forensics. I made a messenger forensics tool for Mac, so it covers Skype forensics and iChat, iMessage forensics and all the Yahoo and Gtalk messenger forensics that are linked up with that iMessage account. So my Skype forensics is basically inspired by Yuri Medvinsky's project from last semester. He called it Skype Overview. So what he did, he made a Skype messenger forensics tool for Windows. And what I did, I tried to extend it for Mac. The platform I used was Mac OS X 10.10. So what my Skype Messenger forensics tool does, it tries to look for all the databases that are related to Skype. Skype names it main.db. So first it tries to find out all the main.db file that resides in your Mac. And after finding all the main.db file, it tries to extract all the important information related to the user's friendlies, like their Skype name, birthday, country, contact number, and after that it tries to retrieve all the chat history. It tries to retrieve all the call records, and it tries to extract all the file transfer record and stores the recovered file in a folder that you specify. And then it creates a report file on all the findings, and it creates all different report files on all the Skype users who have used Skype from this Mac. And the next messenger forensics tool I built is iChat forensics. So what iChat forensic does, it looks for the chat.db file because that's where our iMessage messenger tool store all the related information. Your Yahoo and Gtalk account can be added into your iChat or iMessage account. So if that is the case, you would be able to also extract all the information from your Gtalk or Yahoo Messenger. And so what this iChat forensics tool does is it extracts all the friend list or all the IDs or the numbers that have been contacted by the user, and it also tries to extract the other related information related to the friend listing, like country and other information that might be useful. And it tries to retrieve all the chat history, it retrieves all the file transfer history, and stores the recovered file in a specified folder. And then it creates a report file afterwards. And you can use this plugin, Yahoo or Gtalk Forensics. What it does, it basically extracts all the important information from chat.db, but it just filter out the information for only Yahoo or Gtalk. So if you're not interested in other information, if you're just interested in Yahoo or Gtalk Messenger Forensics, that what was linked up with your iMessage account, you can use this to plug in to just take a look at the finding of Yahoo and Gtalk forensics. So now I'm gonna show you where this Skype database file is located at. To take a look into that file, we gotta open up a SQLite browser like this one. So then we say open database, we gotta give it a path. So this is where the Skype database file can be found. So put it there. And here we can see all the Skype users account. Here, these three. And if we go into Gazimim, we would be able to find his database account here. This is the main.db file here. We're gonna open it up, and we can see the tables, all the table list here, the accounts and transfers, contacts, chat history, and everything. In the same way, we can do it for iChat too. Let's now just take a look into the browse data. So if you say browse data, there's all this information you can find here, like chats, like who has been chatting with, and all the other information here. So let's now go back and open the next database we want to take a look into. So this is the file path. We say open database here. Okay. And we open this chat.db file up, and we can browse the data in the same way, and we'll be able to see all these cell phone numbers that are associated with that account or the user have made a contact with, and there's all these messages that have been transferred. And we can also recover all the attachments, like the file histories from here. So these are the files that are created for my module. So google.py, yahoo.py, iChat.py, and skype.py. So let me show you how to use this messenger forensics tools. So we run this messenger underscore forensics.py, then we say -s users, and this is the path you specify where you wanna store the recovered files. And by saying -s, you're saying that you wanna do only Skype forensics now. So if we run it, you can see it has found our Skype database, all the Skype databases, and it is running the forensics. So after doing that, we can see like it has printed out all this contact list here. We can see their country, province, gender, birthday, and other stuffs. And we can see all the file transfer history. We can see this the file has been transferred between the user and this person, and the file path. We can take a look into all the chat logs here, and we can also find the call history. Here we can see the call history between Gazimim and Onin data here. And after doing this, we can find all the recovered files here in this folder. We can see all the files that has been transferred through that account, and we can see all the individual report files on all these Skype users here. So we can open it up. We can see Gazimim's friend list here. We can also see his chat logs here between he and refat.roompod one here. We can find the file transfer history here. We can see the call records like from Gazimim to Rifat here. So now I'm gonna show you how to run iChat forensics here. To run that, we can specify here -i and then the path where the iChat files are gonna be stored. So we can see all this information that are related to that iChat messenger. So we can see this account here, like this was he was the receiver and his contact number is this, and he said good, and the kind of service he was using was iMessage, so he was using his iMessage account here, and we can see information like contact list, their number, and the kind of services they were using. We would be able to find out other accounts here, like the Yahoo account, which was linked with this iMessage messenger thing, and he has a friend list whose ID is not _trust here, and we can see the we can also see the SMS services here. So all the information that are stored in his iPhone, we can see all those text related information here too. And this is the receiving all the information related to the chat history. We can see all the file transfers here. We can see this image was transferred between the user and this person, and we can see the date, time, and file name here. We can also able to find out the date and time here too. Like we can see this in this chat log. We can see the date when it was read and when it was delivered at. After running all this chat forensics thing, it will generate a text file, a report file. So if you open it up, we can have a nice view like this, and we would be able to see it later on. And it's gonna store all the recovered file in the folder we specified here. So if we go into iChat files, we'd be able to find all the files that has been transferred through that account. And to run only Yahoo forensics, like if we wanna filter out only the information that are related to Yahoo account, let's say we're just interested only the person's Yahoo Messenger services, so we just specify here -y and we say true, and we can see that it has extracted only the information that are related to the Yahoo account, and we can see he has only one friend here and his country and contact number here. After that, we can see that it has generated another report file, yahoo.txt here. So what it shows is like all the information that are related to our Yahoo account. So we can see here that the chat history and the contact number. So this is how you can use my tool. For help option, you can type -h, and it's gonna show you all the options you can use here. I hope you enjoyed my project demonstration. Thanks for watching.